Hello, this is Mickey from the Spiritual Channel. Today, I will explain the basics of aura reading for beginners who are interested in the spiritual world. Aura is the energy field that surrounds our body. By reading the color and strength of this aura, we can understand a person's mental state, health, and even future tendencies. Now let me share with you the charm of aura reading and teach you how to see your own aura. What is an aura? Is an energy field that radiates from our body. This energy field, although invisible to the naked eye, has been observed by many spiritual practitioners. The aura is made up of several layers, each of which provides different information. For example, your emotions, thoughts, health, and spiritual state. Aura colors and their meanings. The color of your aura is an important indicator of your state of mind. Each color has a specific meaning, and by understanding it you can read the other person's mental state and emotions. Below are the main aura colors and their meanings. Red aura. A red aura represents strong energy and passion. People with this color have a very active and passionate personality. Red can also indicate anger, stress, and strong desires. Orange aura. Orange aura represents creativity, joy, and sociability. People with orange auras enjoy interacting with others and are often involved in creative activities. Yellow aura. A yellow aura represents knowledge, wisdom, and spiritual growth. People with this color have a strong desire for knowledge and enjoy continuing to learn. They also tend to have an optimistic and cheerful personality. Green aura. A green aura represents healing, growth, and balance. People with green auras value harmony with nature and have the power to heal others. We also place importance on living a balanced life. Blue aura. The blue aura represents peace, truth, and communication. People with this color have honest, trustworthy personalities and excellent communication skills. There is also a tendency to seek spiritual growth. Purple aura. Purple aura represents spiritual insight, mystery, and intuition. People with this color have strong intuition and are interested in spiritual growth. They often also serve as spiritual leaders. White aura. A white aura represents purity, protection, and divinity. People with this color aura are often connected to very pure and high-dimensional energy. It also has the power to protect and guide others. How to see auras. Anyone can learn to see auras with practice. Below we will explain in detail the specific steps to see auras. By repeatedly practicing these techniques, your aura vision abilities will improve over time. Practice meditation. The first step to seeing auras is to calm your mind and increase your concentration. Meditation is the perfect way to do this. 1. Choose a quiet place. Choose a quiet and relaxing place to meditate. Ideally, there should be no outside noise or interference. 2. Relax. Sit in a comfortable position to relax your mind and body. If you are sitting in a chair, keep your back straight and your feet firmly on the floor. If you are sitting on the floor, sit cross-legged with your back straight. 3. Focus on your breathing. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. As you breathe in, feel fresh energy entering your body, and as you breathe out, imagine all tension and stress leaving your body. Repeat this breathing to calm your mind. 4. Turn your attention inward. As your breathing becomes more stable, turn your attention inward. Focus on your inner stillness and clear away the distractions around you. Hold this position for a few minutes. 5. Activate your third eye. Focusing on your third eye between the eyebrows during meditation can enhance your intuition and psychic vision. Focus on your third eye and imagine the light energy gathering there. Train your vision. In order to see auras, it is important to train your vision. Try these exercises. 1. Stand in front of a white wall. Have a person stand in front of a white wall. The simpler the background, the easier it is to visualize the aura. 2. Blur your focus. Stare around the person standing in front of a wall. Blur your gaze a little and avoid looking directly at the person. Blur your gaze to make auras easier to see. 3. Look for a halo. After a while, you'll start to see a vague halo of light around the person. This light is the aura. At first, the colors may appear pale or transparent, but with practice, the colors and shapes will become clearer. Seeing the aura of the hands. It is also effective to practice seeing the aura using your own hands. 1. Prepare a dark room. Darken the room and prepare a piece of white paper. Place the paper on a desk or floor and place your hand over it. 2. Gaze at your hands. Stare at the area around your hands, blurring your gaze slightly. Keep staring until the outline of the hand becomes slightly blurred. 3. Feel the aura. After a while, you will see a faint halo of light around your hand. This is the aura of the hand. Observe the color and intensity of this light. Opening the third eye. Opening your third eye enhances your ability to see auras. The third eye is the chakra located between the eyebrows and governs intuition and spiritual insight. 1. Deepen your meditation. Focusing on your third eye during meditation activates this chakra. Imagine blue and purple light gathering in your third eye. 2. Do the exercises. Do the exercises to open your third eye. For example, place your finger lightly on your third eye and focus your breathing on that area. Doing this exercise daily will activate your third eye and improve your ability to see auras. Improved aura vision. By continuing to practice seeing auras, you will gradually improve your ability. Try these additional exercises to improve your visual acuity. Color meditation. Color meditation helps you see the colors of your aura more clearly. 1. Focus on a specific color. Focus your attention on a specific color during meditation. For example, imagine a green light spreading all over your body. 2. Feel the energy of the color. Feel how the energy of the color affects your body. Perceiving the different energies of each color can help you see the colors in your aura. View aura photos. By looking at aura photographs and observing their colors and shapes, it becomes easier to visualize your aura in real life. 1. Prepare an aura photo. Find an aura photo on the internet or in a book and observe it carefully. 2. Analyze colors and patterns. Analyze the colors and patterns of the aura in the photo in detail. This will give you a reference for when you actually see the aura. Practice in pairs. Practicing aura viewing with others can help you get feedback and improve your visual abilities. 1. Find a practice partner. Practice with friends or family who are interested in aura reading. 2. Mutual observation. Observe each other's auras and report their color, shape, and strength. This feedback allows you to assess your visual capabilities and identify areas for improvement. By practicing these methods, you can steadily improve your ability to see auras. Aura reading is a skill that takes practice and patience, but with persistence you will see great results. Aura reading practice. Once you can see auras, it's time to learn how to read them. Aura reading is the art of interpreting a person's condition through the color, shape, and strength of their aura. Below are the basic steps for an aura reading. Observations and records. When you see your aura, note and record its color, shape, and strength. Look carefully to see which colors stand out and which areas stand out. Interpretation. Based on the recorded information, we interpret the person's condition. For example, if a person has a strong red aura, they may be feeling very energetic, stressed, or angry. Feedback. Share the results of your aura reading with the person and ask for their feedback. Through this process, you can check your reading ability and find areas for improvement. Summary. Aura reading is an extremely useful tool on your spiritual path. By reading the color, shape, and strength of your aura, you can gain a deeper understanding of your own and others' states. Let's practice the methods introduced here and hone your aura reading skills. Learning how to see the colors of your aura, what they mean, and the art of aura reading will make your spiritual journey richer and more meaningful. Enter the world of aura readings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.